Hey everyone, it's Adam here. Why are you looking at a kickstand? Well, we've got another AltRider product here. This isn't something that everyone needs, but where we live, having solid ground is not guaranteed. So we have an AltRider side stand Enlarger. It's a two-piece design, as you can see here. You've got a T25 and some thread locker. They include thread locker if you want to use theirs. There's a bottom plate, a top plate, some fasteners and washers. Very, very simple install. It's a little bit complicated though because this bike lacks a center stand. So it's just going to be an awkward video. But let's get started anyway. I've done this before. I've done installs on this bike before. What did I install before without a kickstand? It was one. Oh, it was this bolt right here for the crash bars. I couldn't install it without putting the kickstand up, and that was fun. So here's your top plate. It's got the anodized black aluminum with the A on it. Come on, focus. There you go. Here's your bottom part, and what I like about the bottom of this kickstand is that it has this little tooth right here, and this goes outwards, so it actually adds a little bit of grip. It actually goes towards the outside of the kickstand. And then of course a bunch of non-painted bolts from AltRider. AltRider black bolts, guys. Black bolts. I know, I'll pay an extra $4. I would. Of course we also have our thread locker. I like using my own. T25. So obviously I'm sorry for the shadows we have here, but this is kind of all we have to work with in this setup. I'm going to be kind of in weird positions here to get this installed because I've got my body weight against the bike. This is the biggest problem with a lowered F750 is that the friggin' thing doesn't, you know, sucks. But anyway. Alright, given the nature of this, I'm going to go ahead and basically drop these in and try to start these while the thing's on the ground, and then lift it up on the, you know, center and try to finish them without dropping the bike. Now while you're here, go ahead and position this to where you feel like you have the best footing. We can start tightening these down. And you want to tighten these down in a kind of a, you know, go around the world, because that's kind of bad placement actually, because they'll bow up on either side. So you want to basically just move around, kind of like you were tightening down lugs on a wheel. Let's take a look, closer look. So there it is in the bike. Side stand Enlarger. Let's actually put the kickstand up and see how that looks. Oh yeah, it's like definitely out of the way. Totally out of the way. On my, on my GSA, it almost comes in contact with the center stand. It's a tight fit under there. We're going to see, I guess, we'll see if this ends up being compatible with the SW Motec lowered center stand. Hey, there you go. Side stand Enlarger from AltRider. Made in America. Designed in America. Built in America. Really strong. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and ride safe. Enjoy your AltRider side stand Enlarger.